Just going to do a real quick little video here. These are stuffed shotgun shells. Ones on the right are pork sausage, fresh pork sausage stuffed from the store. Ones on the left here are ground beef with two types of cheese mixed in, covered in a rub. Got me some sweet spot. Got the smoker warming up after they've cooked for a while. Get the bacon nice and crispy. I'll be putting on some barbecue sauce, dabbling that on. Probably do a little follow-up here. A few hours when they're done. Grab a beer and have a shotgun shell.